Hi, it's Hector Diaz. In this video, we're going to show you the way potential buyers have access to your property, both physically and digitally.
When listing your house for sale, our goal is to leverage our strategic pricing and marketing resources to get as many people to view your property as possible. Once we have captured the interest of a prospective buyer, they will have the opportunity to physically view your property. There are a few different ways we can coordinate showing appointments. Normally, we will schedule a private showing for interested buyers and their agents to visit your home for a walkthrough. If your listing is vacant, we will secure a lockbox on the exterior of your house which holds a key that only an approved and licensed real estate agent can access in order to enter your home. If you still occupy your home, you have the choice of leaving a lockbox for an agent to unlock, or we can schedule showings in which you as the homeowner can welcome them in if we, as the listing agent, are unable to be there. If you do welcome the buyer and their agent into your home, we ask that you kindly give them their space to view your home. It is often recommended to step outside or go for a quick walk. We may also show your home during an open house. This is a pre-scheduled time that we will select to open your house to the public. Unlike private showings, you may have several parties walk through your home at once, depending on how much activity the listing has. Our team also has the ability to perform a virtual open house. This is a modern technique that involves broadcasting a live video of your property online to virtually walk our audience through your home. This convenient strategy gives prospective buyers the opportunity to see your house from the comfort and safety of their own home. If a prospective buyer is interested in calling your listing home, they will work with their agent to submit an offer. In the next video, we'll discuss what to look for when reviewing offers.
If you want to learn more about how my team and I can help you in listing your home, feel free to reach out to me today. Give me a call, text, or send me a private message below. Thanks for watching.